Kilaidali ki Autonomous District Council jang jala kata ka KHADC ka JHADC bar ka GHADC hakasi bar jakatayo kilapan por sapu prakan ta banya kran bar ka sarkar jala halor ka jing batha ka bami bar pintrei kam noi ka Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 bar ka Code of Civil Procedure 1908 habarok bai ka jala kini ki Autonomous District Council Kilapan pawak mar umentri rang ba ke jelau konat ke sang mai ke jing sngokia namar ba onda la pentrei kam yakini ki an kan penduk pendam no ya ke board jang ke district council
Hawat haga jing sisya nak liang jungi ke council ngila ai ya ke proposal ke jungi mangila ai ru ya ke jing persya ke jungi halo ke pan implement dan ni ban penmi ya dari ke notification ban pentrei kam habaro ko ke state te ngila yo ya ke call matasi kanika jingkot kanika meeting but nilai discuss but nilai deliberate nadu ba almost 1 hour mo nilai discuss but hadir ba nilai kham nam jelio halo kanika jingtemu dengan yang sarkar karai ka bakhadu bangi aim taksi kalau bakin ai por yang ini ka di council baru alai tali bo RC ngini syong bagi legal expert ki jungi pangin sawan ra da ka we pat proposal ya ka government hoi ka jing tu jo ka sarkar ki ban suku ang ni ba ka ban ai board ya kini ki judicial magistrate ki ba ka sarkar kala thum hadin bala secretariat ya ka executive bat ka judiciary itip ban shwa ban secretariat ni ban thia ka judiciary ba ka executive kamu DC la ni additional district magistrate u judicial magistrate dan rei hadin bala secretariat no tigla mi mentagi judicial magistrate baru ki district headquarter hukum juru haki sub divisional level dan rei kumbalong mentagi ni KYNDON board ki keempat confer ki ya kata power bakin trial ki case dan nak kata daw nak yang government ka kwa ba kini ki code ki bala establishment apo ki district bat kum juru ki sub division bakin trekam no kenapa kan nong kacing mentoi nak kebentar jadi baik ba kai ke bau siam mentau la assure gi kalau ba ki code ki jungi jong ki district code jong ki district council code ni kapor ke bangidon kan nong kata kanum dan kenunu kacing kena ya ki district council code ki jungi ki bangidon wala ada kadai ki village code wala kadai ya ka additional subordinate code denrei habaya keren bat habaya dai bat ka ai ngi sutu ba kanu notification ka ban peli na sarkar kalong very sensitive ngi hapan pe bnia ha na kata kata ngi kam sim bongo bentang si bagi ong ban ai por biang ngi kumba RCA ini syong nang sakat MDC baru ada discuss dengan ni kat pada legal team gejungi hadian bangila syai insa ai ko proposal
nakal yang menteri rang ba ula pensyai bakani kanum khata lani pendu pendam ya ke board ke district council hindai kan chupen bahai ka rukam tre kam jongki
there is no question of diluting or infringing into the powers of the judicial powers of the district council and that whatever steps are being taken right now and are being suggested by the government is only to regularize the overall functioning of the judiciary, where the separation of the executive from the judiciary has taken place. And the executive earlier used to take up cases, and that those powers were conferred or they used to draw them from the 1937 Act. Once the judiciary and the executive was separated, the ADC judicial did not have the powers to continue, and hence the judicial magistrates came into being. And the fact that the judicial magistrates today are taking up cases, they have to be conferred power under some provisions. 1937 provisions were specific to the DCs, because that time in 37 there were only deputy commissioners. So the powers were conferred to the administrative, to the executive side, and there was no judiciary at that point in time. So hence the judicial magistrates will also have to draw powers from certain provisions in the constitution, and hence it is being suggested that it should be drawn from para 5. But while we say that, it's simply to ensure that the continuity of the judiciary in terms of now from the ADC judiciary to the judicial magistrates can happen in a smooth manner. That's the main purpose. But as the second part is, there is no intention to dilute the powers of the district council. And the provisions and the powers of the district council are clearly mentioned in the constitution and the 6th schedule. So there's no question of in any way directing those powers.